Problem 7. The diagrams below show regions of equipotentials. There are 4 diagrams shown. Okay. A positive charge is moved from A to B in each diagram. Option A. Maximum work is required to move Q in figure 3. Option B. In all the 4 cases the work done is the same. Option C. Minimum work is required to move Q in figure 1. Option D. Maximum work is required to move Q in figure 2. NEET 2017. So there is a charge Q moved from the point A to the point B and 4 different diagrams. Okay, in which case the work done is either maximum or minimum, or the work done is equal, we will have to find out. So the idea is to find the work done when charge Q is moved. Okay, so work done when a charge is moved is given by this formula. Q is as a W is equal to Q delta V. This is work done. Why it is so? By definition we know potential difference is the amount of work done per unit charge, by definition of potential difference. So work done will be Q into potential difference. So we can take this to be VB minus VA. That is potential difference. We will analyze in each case. But you see, point A here has a potential 10 volt. All points falling on this line as indicated here, they all will have a volt value of 10 volt, potential of 10 volt. And B, the potential is 40 volt. So case 1, the work done would be Q into 40 minus 10, that is 30. If the charge we assume as Q, right? Because it is given here as Q, but in the question it is not mentioned Q, simply it is given a positive charge. So let's say that positive charge is Q as shown in the options. So here the work done or work required is 30 times Q, 30Q. Work is required to move a charge from point A to point B, because A is at a lower potential, B is at a higher potential in all cases. So external agency should do work on it. So work required is 30 times Q. You have to do work on the charge to move it from 10 volt to 40 volt. So 40 minus 10 is 30. Similarly here also, work required is Q into 40 minus 10, because for B it is 40, for A again it is 10. So 30 times Q. For the option 3 also, work required charge into PD. For B it is 40, for A it is 10. You can see here. So here also 30. Same way here also, work done or work required will be charge into, assume this charge as Q as shown in the options, potential difference. For B it is 40, for A it is 10, so 40 minus 10, 30. As you see, in all cases, 30Q, 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 30Q. The work required is 30 times Q. Therefore, the answer is, in all the 4 cases, the work done is same. The work done is same. Is it clear?